Kaspa at the time of this recording is giving us a bit of a bounce to the upper side after reacting to a golden pocket here on the daily chart between the 0.09239 and the 0.08294. And on today's update video, I will be discussing a potential breakout scenario to the upper side, so make sure that you stick around till the end of the video. And starting the video here on the daily chart, you can see that from the lows we made on the 7th of April, we saw an aggressive bounce over here in a move that gave us a high above the 0.13243. And after making that significant high, we started a bit of a pullback to the lower side. And you can see that using the Fibonacci's, connecting the fibs from the lows we made down here on the 7th of April to the highs we made above the 0.13243, we have seen a pullback into the golden pocket, which lies between the fib level 0.5 and the fib level 0.618, an area within which we are now seeing a reaction in what could be the start of another bounce to the upper side. And this whole structure over here, we can term it as a negative structure to the upside, where we can have these as an aggressive wave 1 to the upside. Then the breakdown move over here is a pullback in the formation of that second wave, and this bounce over here could be the start of another bounce in the formation of that wave 3. Then we can expect a wave 4 and then continue pushing even higher in the formation of that wave 5. And the minimum target areas for the wave 3 can be given by connecting the fib extension from the low of the wave 1 to the high of that wave 1, then connecting the Fibonacci's to the low of the second wave. And on so doing, the area that I'm paying attention to lies on the fib level 1.618, and that lies above the 0.20534 as our next target area. But we need to be very careful over here, because we can also get another breakdown move in the next coming hours, and if that plays out, then I will be expecting one more new low in the formation of that second wave within the area between the fib level 0.618 and the 78 as a maximum. We need to be very careful over here, because we can easily get one more new low within this area. But as long as we continue holding within that area, then it is very likely for us to see another bounce in the formation of that wave 3 to the upper side in the next coming days. Jumping to the 4-hour chart, here on the 4-hour chart, I will be focusing on a negative structure that I have been observing from the highs we made above the 0.13, where you can see that I have been terming that initial drop as the formation of that wave 1, a bounce in the formation of that second wave. Then we saw another pullback in the formation of this wave 3, a bit of a bounce over here in the formation of that wave 4 that didn't quite fully maximize our minimum target areas. And you can see that in case we get one more new low, then that will be the formation of that wave 5 to the downside, which can easily play out in the next coming hours. And the minimum target areas can be given by connecting the fib extension from the high of the wave 1 to the low of that wave 1, then connecting the Fibonacci's to the low of that wave 3. And on so doing, the area that I will pay attention to lies on the fib level 0.618, and that lies above the 0.06022. So that is all that I'm expecting here on the Kaspa chart, on the short term and also on the long term. And let us be patient and see how that plays out, and I will ensure you stay up to date.